Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to use countif formula in Excel program. So friends, if you want to use countif formula in Excel, firstly select any cell where you want to result appear. In my case, I want to result appear in this cell. So select cell and type equal sign countif. Now open bracket, then select column where you want to count your particular thing. In my case, I want to count book criteria in this column. Now type comma. So select cells, then type this comma. Now select a particular thing which you want to count. In my case, I want to count book in this column. How many times it's come. So select it, then press enter. That's it. So it will show there are three cells which has this particular thing, like in my case book. So very simple and easy method to use countif. If you want to count any particular thing in Excel program, so countif is best formula for us. Firstly select any cell. Now type formula, type countif, so equal sign countif, open bracket, then select cells, then comma. Now your criteria, so you want to count cell which has book, then press enter. That's it. Hopefully friends, you like this video. By this quick and easy method and by this simple formula, we can know how to use countif in Excel. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.